everyone, hi, happy Vlogmas day 5. So yeah, I'm in a hurry. So normally I do like a skincare in the morning, like quick, and then out the door. So I just do something quick in the morning. Okay. This one has to be very quick today. And then I'm done brushing my teeth. Okay. So my daily skincare is my St. Ives Smooth and Nourishes Oatmeal Scrub Mask. I'm just going to put just a little bit on it today, and I'm going to wet my face first. Jergens coconut lotion. I don't know if you can see it. Coconut lotion, just a little bit. Oh, I have a bumper here. And I'm done. Alright you guys, so I am done. So I'll see you guys later when I'm on the road. Yes baby. Yes, I'm gonna open it for you. Yeah. So see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, so we're leaving now. We're on our way to go out. Hubby came to come pick us up. He's on the phone. Right there. So we're just gonna head out now, and yeah, I'll be picking up some decorations for outside and for inside as well, okay, because I like my place looking Christmassy. Dollar Store is my best friend, okay? Dollar Store and Party City we're going to, and some other places. Yeah. Alright, later. Bye. So hi guys, we're at the dental office. Hubby's inside already. Yo, putting on this lip gloss because I'm just putting on this lip gloss because my lip is really dry. Yeah, it's really dry. So I think this lip gloss is lemon drop. That's how it looks. Yeah, it's good. My face looks dry though because of this weight on my face looks dry. I have Leo here drinking water. Leo. Are you playing with your friend? He's just playing with his friends. So I'll be done here soon, and then we'll be heading to the dollar store or Party City. That's where we're going next. Look. Look. Yes. Say hi, friends.
This.
Say hi, friends. Well, yes. You want me to record that? Yappers. That is, I need a wide angle camera now. Where's Dada? Is Dada behind us? Look.
You want to go in? Yes, okay.
Because the ice cream is in there.
Yeah, the ice cream is in the car.
Sit down. I don't know why you can't sit up there like regular people. No, you have to leave the ice cream until later, okay? I want you to mochi.
Loti mochi.
Loti.
Japanese
Them
mochi ice cream.
Strawberry. Green tea. You know, so we should do a challenge. Not a challenge. First impression.
Yeah, that's why I said let's do the mochi and then we can have all the mochi ice cream and do it as well.
Yeah, bite?
Yeah, mochi at home.
Yeah, we have I think we have the green bean one.
That's what more mochi.
All the flavors?
No, not all the flavors, but we'll just like a little bit more mochi.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
No. I have milk at home.
How many milk you have?
How about to ask? Hi.
Thank you.
Do you want what? No, it's not done. It's cookie. How much is it?
It's $12.79. You get 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the same. Give him yours.
And this is peach.
Bite it. Let me see if you like it.
You get 6 of them.
Eat it.
This is the size.
It's coming. Do you want it? Give it to me if you don't want it.
No.
It's a mine.
Eat little.
Let me grab one more because he's not going to give me this. Thank you.
Here's peach.
Yeah, I egg something.
Eat good.
The good here? $12.